Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to be talking about how you find interesting accounts on Bluesky to follow, how you like their posts, how you follow their accounts, and all of that good stuff. Because as we are starting with a new account here, we are encouraged to like 10 posts and to follow 7 accounts. So I'm a big fan of things like space and art and cute cats, so we're going to start from there. So the way that you find posts is something that's kind of organic, at least to start with, where you just kind of trawl through here looking for stuff that you know you like this little comic here, and then you can like that, and then that lets Bluesky know that that's content that you enjoy, and you might also want to see more of that even if you don't follow it in the future. Likewise, I can also click on Lee Chen's profile here because I know she's the creator of a lot of really great fun art and post pictures of her cat. And I can be like, oh, you know what? I like what you make. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and follow you. That way, anytime she posts something, it'll appear on my homepage feed whenever I want to see it. Or I can go to these other feeds and I can look at different specific stuff in these feeds based upon stuff that's popular with my friends, stuff that's popular with like mutuals, people who follow me back, stuff that's science related, art related. You have a lot of different options to find catered content that fits what you are interested in. And when you do follow those people, again, they will start to appear naturally on your regular Discover page, or they will definitely appear on your follow page. So there you have it. Now, let's say that you're like looking around and you keep encountering somebody who's been nasty to you and you don't like them very much and you just don't want to see their stuff anymore. Like, let's just say that whoever this person is, I don't like them, and I can just go here to the 3 dots next to the follow button and I can block their account, and if they're harassing me, I can then report their account right here. Then if I block them, I won't see them pop up for me, and they won't see me. And then we'll just exist in our own little corner of the internet away from each other, and it'll be fine. It's a really easy way to just keep your space and all the stuff that you enjoy while you're browsing the web, things that only, make you happy, entertain you, and aren't actively out there to bother you. So that's basically a brief look at how to do all those different things, how to follow people, how to like their content. And if you want, there's a couple other things that you can do too. This button here allows you to repost a copy of this comic if you found it funny on your profile. And then you can also leave a comment on their profile as well if you'd like to reply to their post, where you can also embed things like images, videos, GIFs, and emojis, or type up to 300 words or letters, characters on their little posts. So there you go. That's the basics of how to do the top level stuff on Bluesky. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.